No. Ooh, does it work? Do we work? Does the stream work? Does the audio work? Doesn't seem like it. Let's make sure the stream works by putting this thing over here. Oh, damn. Yeah, it works. Okay, let me fix my sound first. I don't want background noise at all. Okay, that was a terrible noise. The stream has a long delay, damn. Oh, that's a lot better, I think. Alright, I think we can go now. No, I don't want to exit. Let's see. It's kind of annoying to stream this because... Oh, wait a second. It's kind of annoying to stream this all because I have two monitors and I don't know how to... Well, I do know how to do that, to stream that, but I think it would be annoying for the viewers to see two monitors inside one of those Twitch screens, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, but whatever. I hope everyone can see everything. Okay, let's see. We'll need to start up a few things. The first one is the back end. We need to start a PHP server here. And that's it. Next up is the application itself, and that's this one. And the last thing we need is our Babel thingy. Babel watch build no source out here is build. Okay, let's go. By the way, do I actually have a second viewer, or is it like a bot or something? If that's even possible. Because, you know, I don't know. It'd be cool to have my first viewer already. Let's see. Alright. This is what it looks like right now, and that's not even close to what we want to have. I've made a design on paper. I can't really show you that right now, however, which is a bit unfortunate. But I'm going to replicate that design today, or at least I'll try to implement that design today using React. And well, that's what I'm going to do for today, I think. So let's see, where will we start? Well, let me pick my design papers up for just a second. do is this bar over here on the top, that's going to be the navigation bar. I want it to be as thin as possible because, well, I don't really need a big navigation bar and I only need a few tabs. Then we have a main content window basically, and yeah, lastly we want some kind of queue, like well, comparable to a Spotify playlist where you can select and drag the Spotify queue, I mean, where you can drag wallpapers into the queue. So let's begin. And everyone left. Oh no. I'm not good enough for you. No. Here we'll have some music in the background. Some really shitty 90s dance music. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to do, I think I'm going to do, well, either the navigation or main content window. Let's start with the main content window, I think. Yeah. What I wanted to look like, I'll draw it out for you, because otherwise I think it will be a bit unfair. The end result should look something like, I hope this is the good one, yeah. The end result should look something like this, where you have channels. Here are previews of 4 of the most popular wallpapers or something, and they are here on the left, channels, and here on the right there are, well, you have one channel selected, right? We have this one selected right now, and you'll see the wallpapers that are in this channel here, in this right preview thing. And well, you can subscribe. These are your channels basically, so you can see the wallpapers inside your channels and stuff. That's what I'm going to build right now. So these are the channels right now. I've just taken my own wallpaper directory and used them as channels for the moment. So we're going to rebuild this into this, basically two displays, I guess, using React. So let's actually begin now for the first time. What we're going to do is we have a main window, and we need to build channels, and right now the channels is what it is like in the beginning, and that's just a stupid type, so we're going to replace this. So let's create a class, a new React class, and get initial state. The state is the same, I think. Channels, failure, false. Failure is for when they fail to make a request or something. I'm sure it's possible to do that better, but it's not too important for now. Okay, so, well, this we can copy as well, actually. It's only the render that needs to change. Render. Component will mount. What the hell is this? Oh. We need to change the render into well, 2 things actually. We need our channels view and we need our wallpaper view. So wallpapers, we'll call this. And I think we need some kind of super class or something, like a container, channel container or something. I hope my keyboard is not too clicky, by the way. keyboard. I'm really liking it. Okay. So I think what we'll do is make the channel container to the request. Yeah. Channel container will request the data from the server and will distribute it over the navigation, the wallpaper and channel navigation, and the wallpaper view. Okay, so what we'll take is this, I think. Yeah. Render is a function, not a function. Oh, that's annoying. Whoa, what the hell is going on? It's going to return a channels. Oh, I'm not used to this keyboard yet. As you can see, we're going to return a div, and inside of the div will be channels and wallpapers, and we're going to give them props. It's been a while since I've last done React. Let's see. Are we going to give them like a listener, or are we going to React components change when props change, right? Props don't change, do they? Let's. If we're going to distribute that, we need. Well, the wallpapers aren't going to change actually. At least not for now. We're not going to assume they will change right now. So we can just give state, the channel's failure state as props, I think. Yeah. So we're going to call this channels, well, channels, I guess. This dot state channels, and the wallpapers. Yeah, this is a little bit trickier though. We need some kind of currently selected thing, because we have like a container of channels, and each channel contains multiple wallpapers, and the wallpaper view will only have the wallpapers. Will only show the wallpapers of one channel, not of all channels. So we need some kind of this channel is selected thing. So the state of the wallpaper should change depending on channels. Any of my viewers, are you familiar with React? Because I'm not too familiar with React, unfortunately. I'm not sure if my chat works either. How can I see if my chat works? Because normally it doesn't work. Because I'm on Linux and I don't know, it doesn't work too well with Flash. So I think if I popped it out or something, I could see that. I believe I can, no, not report a problem. You could pop out the chat, right? No, we don't want it. Pop out, yes, that's what we want. I believe the last time I did pop out it did work. We don't want our stream to run in the background, so that's this one. Welcome to the chat room. Test, test, test. If anyone could respond, that would be nice, so I know if the chat works or doesn't work. Okay, so let's see. For now, we're going to focus on the channels, I think. Let's skip the failure for now. First, I want to just display the channels. Then we're going to need a channel prop also. Components. Wow, my typing skills. State function URL, I think. It's empty. Never mind. The state is URL is given as a prop, so render is a function which returns yes, thank you for Basman41. The test chat does work. It's nice. Alright, yeah. So we're going to pass a property called URL to channel. I'm basically thinking out loud